Hi, I'm going to help walk you through how to install R in RStudio on a Mac. So first open up a browser and go to r-project.org, and you go to the open source website for the R project for statistical computing. On the left hand side you'll see a link called CRAN. Click on that, and that's the Comprehensive R Archive Network. You'll see a bunch of mirrors to get the software. Just click on the one that's closest to you, or just pick the first one. It'll bring you to this page, and you can select from download R for Linux, Mac, Windows. We're on a Mac. Let's get the R for Mac. Okay. Click one of the first links under latest release. R. By the time this MOOC comes out, it might be another version. So click on whatever the latest version is. Alright, double click that. Welcome to R. And just go through all the walkthroughs. The next step, continue. Read the license. Install. Put in your administrative password. Alright, there we go. Move the file to the trash once you're done. That's it. Let's see if we can find it and see what it looks like. Okay, it's loading. Alright, so this is very much the basic R console. It's just a console. You can open up scripts, but you can see the icons and such are a little bit outdated. So let's get the next program called RStudio that will work on top of R and in a much better IDE. So just look up RStudio on Google, rstudio.com. You're going to want to click on the download RStudio link. And there you have quite a few options, mostly geared toward business people, organizations. You can just skip that and go straight for the free one, the RStudio Desktop Open Source License. Click on Download, and it'll bring you down to a list of what type of systems to install for. This is a Mac, so go ahead and click on the installer for the Mac. It'll take a few moments to download. Alright, give it an open. Drag it into applications. Alright, you're going to once again need administrative rights. So okay. Close that. So let's look for the applications. RStudio, there it is. It's loading. Okay. RStudio is an application download from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes. Once again, you're going to need administrative privileges for that type of thing. Okay, now it's opening it up. And there's the console, which you saw on the earlier version of R that I was opening up. And now you've got the rest of the IDE, which I will give a tour of in the next section. Module 1. So you're all set for now, and this is kind of one of the reasons why I encourage the use of R in RStudio for journalists, because it's quite simple to set up. It's just two programs you download, you run them, and you're automatically set to go to start analyzing data. So thanks. I'll see you next one.